This video is going to show the SMS integration with MoEngage. So I've already set up the SMS integration, but if you haven't already, you can go to Channels SMS, and then you can add sender. The interface is going to look exactly how it's going to look here. So you can see I have my sender name here, the sender type, URL for our API key, and a few of the body request configurations. And then there's also delivery tracking. So I have to go through a process of setting the webhook to this URL here on connect. And then once that's, so you have to set it here for the sub account that you're using. Then once you do that and you try to test to send a SMS, then it's going to let you map these values from the webhook to the relevant values on this interface. So we're not going to change anything. We're just going to leave that as is because it's ready to go. And then I'm going to show you how we can import some users to send to. So it's under the segment, and then when you import users, I've already imported some users, but I'll show you how to do that again. So we can go to import users. I'm going to be using anonymous users, and I have a CSV file. If we go back, they actually give you a sample file, so that's how I know what to create. But I'm going to load the same sample file here. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And then the only thing we need to do is just make sure this phone number field has the phone numbers. Set it to the anonymous ID, which is kind of the unique ID to identify users. And then we just want to create a custom segment just to be able to send to, and hit finish here. And then it's going to take a bit of time to complete. So in real time, that took just a few minutes, and now we have this custom segment. You can go ahead and check out this segment here. You can also use this page here. And here's our imported segment. So we can see 2 users that are reachable in this segment. And we can go ahead here and create a campaign in this segment, create an SMS campaign. I'll do a one-time campaign for testing. We can name this campaign. It has an audience already, so it's all the users in this custom segment from the file we imported. We can go ahead and just hit next here, then make sure to select the 8x8 integration here. This warning is about not having an SMS connector, but even if you don't have one, you can set it here, and then you can type your message here. There's an option to test the campaign as well before sending it. However, we're just going to click next and actually just send this campaign. You can click ASAP and then publish. So the campaign is now running, and we'll just give it a few seconds. So this is my phone on the screen, and we can see the message was successfully sent here. And then we can go back to the campaign, and then we can see the number of messages that were sent. And after a bit, we're going to see some messages that were delivered. So we have a delivery rate, sent rate, all in this campaign analytics tab.